and welcome. We're going to take a look at how practice assignments tie into some of the requirements so that you can take assessments. So on this bottom half of the screen down here is a student view, and you may notice that it has some assignments here, and it says Unit 6 required assignments, and it has a little note on what the score needs to be for each of these. So it says scored at least 1.0, scored at least 1.0, and it has some check marks on the ones that have that, but then it also has this this assignment is overdue, or this assignment's not complete, does not have a check mark. So these two red marks here are assignments that are not check marked. Also notice that sometimes there will be an assignment in there that's listed, but it's not necessarily a requirement. It does not show that you have to score at least any certain number. Up on top is the teacher view, and it shows for this sample student the same information. Has these assignments listed, and there is a certain one missing here under 6B Delta Math. So what I can do is, if I wanted to try and open this quiz, it says no, you have to, the prerequisite is that you have to have completed all the Unit 6 required assignments, the module right before it. So I'm going to go in and submit to this assignment. And one of the ways that we submit is just a screenshot of evidence of the work that was done. So if I click on Insert Image, Upload Image, I'll choose this screenshot here, which matches. And I'll click the green button that will upload that picture. There it is. Now I'll click Submit Assignment. So now the student side is done, and the teacher needs to go in and review it. And when I open this up and open up SpeedGrader, it will load for me the preview of the item that was submitted. And you'll see it's the same picture right here. Now when we mark something as complete, sometimes that means that you just attempted at least, each piece of it. So right here, this test student got 1 correct out of 3 in each of the 4 categories. And as a teacher, I would say you're at least doing the practice. You're not doing nothing. You're not doing just a 0 type of effort, but you're giving some effort. And that's what I'm looking for, is that we have some effort here. So that gets scored a 1. Now on the other side, for the test student, now it's marked green all the way down, and now I can click on this quiz and it's accessible. So what's happening with these practice assignments is they're not going to be calculated into the grade. So doing them or doing them halfway or not doing them doesn't bring your grade down, but certain assignments are required to unlock the full version of the quizzes. There will be other versions of the quizzes that are automatically unlocked without having to submit all this, but the full version of the quiz will have certain requirements with it so that the student can unlock them. And that's all. I hope this answers some of the questions that may be related to this, how the practice assignments are valued in the course.